children. Good morning. Children, take out your activity books. Open page number 4th page. Children, first lesson activities. See here, children. Circle the object which most appropriately describes the use of the given sense organs. Circle the object which most appropriately describe the use of the given sense organs. See here, children. What are sense organs, children? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. These are called sense organs. See here, children. What is the first one? This is a tongue. This is a tongues give us taste. Tongues help us. Tongues help us taste. This is a dog. This is a flower. This is a cake. Related picture. Tongue related object. Taste. Circle this cake picture. Okay, children. Circle this object. Tongues help us taste. Next, eyes. See here, children. Radio, time, clock, perfume. See, eyes help us see. Circle this object. Next, see here, children. Skin. Skin help us to feel. This is the ice cubes, cycle, television. Ice, cool feeling. Skin help us to feel. Circle this object. Next, nose. Nose help us to smell. Snack. Incense sticks, toys. Nose help us to smell. Incense sticks spread smell. Circle this object. Incense sticks. Next, ear. Ear help us to sound. Ear, drum, moon, fire. Circle this object. Tongue help us to taste. Eyes help us to see. Skin help us to feel. Nose help us to smell. Ears help us to hear sound. Next page, children. Put a tick mark under the sense organ which you will make use of when doing the following activities. See here, children. These are sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Nose help us to smell. Ears help us to hear. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to feel. First activity. A boy crossed the road. Tick. Eyes and ears. Next, a boy bathing. This activity, eyes and feel. Water is cool or hot. Feel. Next, a girl drinks water. Eyes, taste help us to, and hot water or cool water. Feel. Skin. Skin help us to feel. Tongue help us to taste. Eyes help us to see. Next, play. You boys are playing here with football. Here eyes and skin. Next flowers. Here eyes and flowers give us smell. Smell help us to taste. See here children, smell flowers and skin also, soft or rough. Next see here children, watching movie. Eyes and listening. Ears. Next page children, color the picture. This is a ear. Children, this is a home task. Today's home task, color the two pictures, ear and skin. Page number 6. Color neatly children. Inner ear and outer ear. Next, structure of skin. Skin. These two diagrams color neatly at home. Next page children. Observe each object and identify the main sense that is used to recognize it. Put the related number in the given box. Assign each sense to 4 objects only. Hear, see, smell, taste, touch. Ears help us to hear. Eyes help us to see. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to touch or feel. See here children, first one, chocolate. Taste. How is it chocolate taste? Sweet. Right here 4. Next, bell. Here, sound 1. Next, frog. See. How is it? This frog is very beautiful. 2. Next, fan. Feel or touch, cool. 5. Next, flowers. Smell. 3. Butterfly. See, how is it butterfly? This is a very beautiful. See. Number 2. Next, plant. Roughness, thorns here. Touch, feel, touch or feel. Number 5. Next, musical instrument. Listen here, 1. Next, sky. Stars in the sky. See. Incense sticks. Spread smell. 3. Next, food item. Vada. Taste. 4. Next, eyes. Feel, cool. Touch or feel. 5. Next, loudspeakers, sound boxes. Here, number 1, juice, taste. Number 4, flowers, smell. Number 3, See here children, what this picture? Telephone. Telephone ring here. 1. Nest. Cloud. Touch. 5. Feeler. Pool. Rain. Nest. Next, see here children, what is this picture? File. Feel or touch. Heat. 5. Food item. Taste. 4. Next, spray. Smell. Number 3. Turn the page children. See here children, put a cross mark on the sense organ which are not used to describe an orange. See here children, orange. What is this color children? Yellow color. How is it say? Eyes help us to see the color. Next, taste. Tongue help us to taste. How is it taste? Sour or sweet taste. Next, nose. Nose help us to smell. Here oil glands is here. Smell. Next, hand. Size. Big size or small size. Only these sense are gone. Cross here. Ears are not used to describe an orange. Next children, different taste areas of the tongue are marked with numbers. Match each number to the related object. See here children, already you learn lesson explanation. Here bitter. Number 1, bitter. This is a lemon, sour, sweet. Next, bitter gourd, bitter. Next, salt. First one, bitter. 1, bitter. Match the 1 to bitter gourd. Number 2. Number 2, sour. Here, sour children. What is the sour picture? Lemon. Next, number 3. Number 3, salt. Here, salt. Number 4, sweet. Okay, children. Bitter, sour, salt, taste. 1, bitter. Bitter gourd. Number 2, sour. Lemon. Number 3, salt. Salt. Number 4, sweet. Laddus. This is a sweet taste children. Next page children. Tick the 2 objects which the given word describes. See here children. Cold. Ice cream, hot coffee, cool drink, hand fan. Here cold, cool ice cream tick and cool drink tick. Next word hard. Stone, shirt, bread, wood. Stone is hard. Shirt soft, bread also soft, wood. Tick here. Next hot. Milk, fire, cooking and water glass, tumbler. Here fire and cooking food hot. Tick here. Next rough. Bread, bed, basket, sunglasses, pineapple. Here basket rough, pineapple rough. Smooth. Stone, apple, palm tree, jackfruit. Smooth, stone and apple. Next soft. Table, pillow, jug, bread. Here pillow soft, cake. Pillow soft, cake soft. Okay children. Next, turn the page. Take the pictures that show proper care of sense organs and cross the others. First one, look at the sun directly. This is a cross. Next, bathing regularly. Proper care of sense organ. This is a correct. Watching TV from close distance. This is a cross. Covering nose with the cloth. This is a proper care of sense organ. Tick mark. Wearing shoes. This is a proper care of sense organ. Tick mark. Playing in mud. Cross mark. Wearing sunglasses. Proper care of sense organ. This is a correct. Touching fire. Cross. Next. Wandering on a hot summer day. Cross. Eating fruits. Tick. Hearing loud sounds. Cross. Drinking water. Tick. Rubbing eyes very hard. Cross. Applying moisturizers. Tick. Eating very hot food. Cross. Consulting a specialist. Tick. Okay children. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.